everyone, Mr. David here, and in this video we're going to show you how to do sauté from first position. This is a very basic ballet step, but keeping those legs straight and those feet pointed and the position correct in the air can sometimes be tricky for our younger dancers. Isabella is here. She's in the studio right now. She's one of our very talented dancers, and she's going to help demonstrate. Here's Isabella. She's got great technique. Notice how she turns out when she does her plie in first position. She makes the shape of a diamond with her knees and her legs. Now she's going to plie really fast and launch herself into the air. There's going to be a diamond when she lands and when she takes off. Plie, jump, and land. Also, notice that when she jumps, her toes stay in the same line when she's in the air. Let's look at it in slow motion. Now, follow along with Isabella and try it with music. I hope you learned something in this video. Special thank you to Isabella for helping us out and being a great demonstrator. If you like this video, if you learned something, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the studio.